Welcome back, everyone. It's fantastic to have you here. Today, we're diving deep into the incredible world of artificial intelligence and discovering how you can leverage its potential to create a steady stream of passive income that can revolutionize your financial future. But before we delve into the exciting details, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends to help us grow this amazing community of AI enthusiasts. AI empowering businesses. Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic concept. It's already here and transforming the way we live and work. The business world, in particular, is witnessing a remarkable transformation by embracing AI technologies. By leveraging AI's power, you can optimize your business operations, cut costs, and create more opportunities for passive income. Example: implementing AI in customer service. Let's say you run an online store, and the growing volume of customer service inquiries is overwhelming your team. Enter AI-powered chatbots, automated assistants that respond to frequently asked questions in real time. By incorporating this technology, you can provide seamless customer support 24/7, elevate user experience, and significantly reduce the workload on your staff. This newfound efficiency can free up your time and resources, allowing you to focus on expanding your business or exploring additional income streams. AI-powered trading. The financial landscape is witnessing a paradigm shift with the advent of AI-powered trading algorithms. These advanced systems analyze colossal amounts of market data, making informed trading decisions at lightning speed. As a result, investors are potentially presented with significant opportunities for generating passive income. Example: smart stock trading with AI. Picture this: you're a busy professional with limited time to monitor the stock market. With AI algorithms, you can create automated trading strategies tailored to your risk appetite and investment goals. The AI continually monitors market trends, executes trades on your behalf, and adapts to market changes in real time. This automated approach can maximize profits and minimize losses without you having to constantly stay glued to market updates. AI investing for effortless wealth building. Diversifying your investment portfolio and staying on top of market changes can be overwhelming and time-consuming. AI-powered investment platforms offer a game-changing solution by automating portfolio management. Example: effortless investing with AI. By embracing an AI-managed investment platform, you gain access to a diversified portfolio customized to your financial goals and risk tolerance. The AI constantly analyzes market conditions, rebalances your portfolio, and optimizes your investments for higher returns. This hands-off approach allows you to sit back, relax, and witness your money grow over time. Conclusion and call to action. In conclusion, AI is a formidable tool that can unlock the potential for passive income in your life. Whether you're an entrepreneur, investor, or individual seeking financial growth, integrating AI into your business or investments can lead to increased profits and reduced workload. Thank you for joining us on this exhilarating AI journey. If you found this video valuable, remember to like it, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your peers. Your support fuels our passion for creating more content focused on empowering you with the infinite possibilities of AI. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos, where we'll continue to explore the wonders of AI and how it can empower your life and financial success. Until next time, keep learning, keep innovating, and keep embracing the power of AI for a brighter future. See you in the next video. Rocket Robot.